Welcome to this Excel tutorial. We'll explore two methods to count unique values using a pivot table. We'll start by utilizing a help column combined with a formula approach, followed by leveraging the distinct count feature. Let's dive into each method. Let's begin with the first method, where we'll create a help column and use a formula based on the if and SUMPRODUCT functions to count unique values. This approach allows us to dynamically identify and count unique values within our dataset. Assuming that you have a range of cell A1, B5 with 3 unique products, and you want to create an Excel pivot table to count unique values, how to achieve it? You can insert a third or helper column to check if the value is unique in the selected range of cells, and the create pivot table based on the first and third column to count unique values. Insert a new column next to your dataset. Enter the formula in the first cell of the help column. Equals if SUMPRODUCT $2. $2 equals A2, asterisk, $B $2. $2 equals B2, greater than 1, 0, 1. Press Enter key in your keyboard, and drag the autofill handler over other cells in helper column to apply this formula. If the returned value is 1, then it indicated that the value is the first value. If it returns 0, it indicated that the value is a duplicated value. Select the data to be included in a pivot table. The helper column should be also included. Go to Insert tab. Click the Pivot Table command under Tables group. The Create Pivot Table dialog will appear. Select Existing Worksheet Radio button, and then select one cell or range to place the pivot table report. Click OK button. Choose Fields to add to report in Pivot Table Fields pane. Choose Product and Helper Fields checkbox. You can see that the count of unique values based on the help column in the pivot table. Now, let's explore the second method, which involves utilizing the distinct count feature available in pivot tables. This feature allows us to directly count unique values without the need for additional calculations or help columns. Select the range of cells that you want to be added into pivot table. Click Insert in the Ribbon tab, then clicking Pivot Table button in the Tables group. The Create Pivot Table dialog will appear. Select Existing Worksheet Radio button, and then select one cell or range to place the pivot table report. And select the Add this data to the data model checkbox. Click OK button. Arrange the rows, columns and values areas by dragging fields in Pivot Table Fields pane. Click on Values area, and select Value Field Settings from the drop-down list. The Value Field Settings dialog will open. Click Summarize Values by tab, and scroll down to Distinct Count. Then click OK button. You can see that the count of unique values using the distinct count feature in the pivot table. If you found this tutorial helpful in learning how to count unique values using pivot tables in Excel, don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.